Tennessee Valley Weather Center. This is your afternoon weather update.
Hey, happy Father's Day, folks. A few scattered showers across the Tennessee Valley at the moment. These are actually those storms this morning that were moving across the Tennessee Valley. They're starting to fizzle out here. You could call that round one for today. It's just kind of leading to a kind of dreary, overcast day so far. Here in Lawrenceburg, you can see what I'm talking about. There's those kind of dreary showers off in the distance. 73 at the moment. Wind out of the south at 10 to 15 miles an hour, though. Pretty breezy out there. Humidity is taking its place here in the Tennessee Valley. Dew point of 68 degrees here at the moment. So we're definitely getting that energy up through the Tennessee Valley, setting the stage for some more unsettled conditions later today. You can really see the wind here on our little flag here at the Shoals camera. Whenever the video starts, you can see what I'm talking about. Those winds are just whipping out there, so no surprise there that we're getting these kind of unsettled conditions later today, especially with that wind out of the south, putting this moisture in the Tennessee Valley. Let me show you the Futurecast next 24 hours, see what we have in store for the rest of the day. Looks like this has a pretty good handle on things for the next several hours. There's those scattered showers pushing east, temperatures getting up in the mid-80s for most of us across the Tennessee Valley. Notice off to the west, though, some pretty intense storms moving east with time here. Now, I don't think they'll be quite as intense as they are over Mississippi and western Tennessee as we head through the evening, but the possibility is there for some strong to severe storms as we head through the evening here in the Tennessee Valley and into the overnight hours of tonight. Now, it does look like they'll start to fizzle out just a little bit as we head through deeper hours of the overnight, and they kind of just form into this big mass of rain here, but that's later tonight. First, we got to get through the possibility of the environment being fairly favorable for severe weather. Indeed, across the Tennessee Valley, we got this big old level 2 out of 5 risk pretty much for all of our counties, except for portions of Murray and Lewis, but even then there's a level 1 out of 5 risk. But pretty much all of us do have this level 2 out of 5 risk for severe weather for today. So let's discuss what that looks like. The main chances of severe weather, if they do form, are damaging winds in excess of 60 miles an hour and the possibility for some large hail with some of those stronger storms that might form there over the next several hours. Now, can you rule out a tornado warning or two? No, you never can with situations like this, but those damaging winds and large hail, I think, are the main threats there. So we'll keep an eye on this forecast here over the next several hours. If any warnings are issued, we'll be with you, see what the situation is, and update you, make sure you're safe. So all in all, an unsettled day today. Keep an eye on the weather here over the next 6 to 8 hours. We'll get through it just fine. So let's take a look at the big picture here, see what we have in store beyond as we head into the first half of the week. This system kind of just lingering across the area. It's not really going anywhere, and we keep these rain chances for the first and middle half of the work week as that big low pressure system that's given the rain today and tomorrow kind of just loiters across the Tennessee Valley for the foreseeable future. Indeed, I think most of the eastern United States is going to be fairly suppressed, fairly wet over the next several days and into this work week. So as for tomorrow, it looks like much of the same compared to today, but I don't think we're going to have any severe weather issues. Just kind of a rainy on and off type day. Temperatures in the mid 80s across the Tennessee Valley. So that's what I mean when we say suppressed. Temperatures not really taking full advantage. No 90s here in the near term. So northwestern Alabama, much of the same there, lower to mid 80s for highs. And indeed, I think that's the trend over the next several days. You can see these temperatures staying fairly mild, even cooling off just a little bit into the middle and end portions of the work week. I say cooling off. We're not going to be cool by any stretch of the imagination, but, you know, lower 80s staying consistent past midweek and beyond. So 7-day forecast, let's see what we have in store. There you go. You kind of see what I'm talking about. Every day this week has some shot at rain, especially the next couple days here as this system kind of just meanders across the Tennessee Valley. But of course today, let's keep an eye on the forecast. And if there's any warnings, like I said, join the Tennessee Valley weather team and we'll be with you just in case anything happens. So all in all, we'll just keep an eye on it. Thanks for watching this forecast update and God bless.